this government a minus 100. Communal violence have been increased and like every death it's gonna highlight every crime. It's going to be highlighted only if there is a narrative of Hindu and Muslim.
Engage someone in Hindu-Muslim narratives debates only for so long. So I think in the future it will go down compared to the earlier
I just want to question our government, our authorities, because it's high time. There are lots of corruption in our system. It's not just our education system, but the entire system. You can see the, how roads are failing us, how many accidents are there, even our environment, our air quality, it's decreasing. People are dying due to that. We don't have clean water to drink, and it's not even about clean water. If you're gonna see, half of the population don't even have water to drink. I will rate this government a minus 100. I don't know, because I think they have obviously failed us as a government, and it's not that they don't have that kind of knowledge. They do. They are very smart. It's just that they are corrupt. So obviously, if they are saying something on media and that's not true, they know the facts. They know the answers. They just choose to say something obviously different.
I've come here to show my support to the Cockroach Janata Party movement, which started as a satirical movement, because I think it reflects a greater truth about the society, about the need for the youth to come and join political movements to express their dissent and to express their dissatisfaction with the government policies. Each and every student has been affected from the paper leaks. Even I've been appearing for a lot of government exams. I had an exam today itself. But you don't have faith, or you trust the process anymore. So I think there's a greater need for this, and we hope that it will bring changes, and we extend our heartfelt support to the movement.
Obviously, communal violence have been increased, and every death, it's gonna highlight every crime. It's going to be highlighted only if there is a narrative of Hindu and Muslim.
After 14 to 15 years of the government being in power, I think it has not been as effective, because the people, they want their basic necessities met. They want food on their tables, they want clothes on their back, they want their children to have proper education. And you can only engage someone in Hindu-Muslim narratives debates only for so long.
So just the starting, obviously, means the control that a government have on the platforms, on medias. It's not that it's not gonna happen that everything will get fair, and the system will start improving. It's gonna be very gradual process, but it's gonna happen.
I think all of us have come together here with the hopes that some change will be brought about, and I think till our needs are met, movements will sustain in some form or the other, even if there is some suppression involved. But I think there will be fissures, and they will erupt. I feel one different thing about today is that we've all come together for one purpose alone, that is to call for the resignation of the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan. So we've all come together for one purpose. Otherwise, it's usually fragmented.
I feel that many parties, like BJP itself, when they came to power, they made many promises, and obviously that number one was like how many jobs they're gonna provide, 1 crore, blah blah blah, and you see that it's not happening. People are more unemployed now than they were back then. So if you are saying something, if you are promising, so please stand by your promise, and it would be great if you actually become a political party, and I feel many of the youth will support CJP.